abductions. Thank you.
Thank you. As indicated by my colleague, the next issue that we want to address is the issue of police phone spying, state-sponsored abductions, hijackings, and extrajudicial killings. An investigative study by the Nation Media Group exposed what has long been suspected by Kenyans, and that is Kenyan police, in collusion with the telecommunication companies, have illegally and illegally accessed data belonging to Kenyans. This is the most blatant example to date that the Kenya Kwanza government has captured all our state institutions. The Constitution of Kenya Chapter 4, the Bill of Rights, Part 2, and Rights and Fundamental Freedoms, and Article 31 on privacy, specifically states that every Kenyan has the right to privacy, which includes right to have their person, human and property searched. Every person has the right to privacy, which includes the right not to have their person, home or property searched, their possessions seized, information relating to their family or private affairs unnecessarily required or refused, or the privacy of their communication infringed. Further, the Data Protection Act of 2019 gives effect to Article 31C and D of the Constitution and provides for the protection of personal data by requiring organizations to obtain consent from individuals before collecting, using or disclosing their personal information. It also gives individuals the right to access, correct, and delete their personal information. The law applies to data controllers, data processors, including government agencies, internet service providers, and even the supermarkets. Despite constitutional protections, that these illegally obtained records have been used to track down, harass, threaten, abduct, and support extrajudicial killings of Kenyans seem to be anti-Kenya Kwanza regime and its leaders. We condemn all telecommunication companies including Safaricom, Airtel and Telecom Kenya, as well as any mobile network operators for illegally providing location records and data to security agents. Please be aware that you too will be held criminally culpable and responsible for the harassment of Kenyans and abductions and the extrajudicial killings. I will now invite our leader, our official opposition leader, and the leader of the people's opposition.
Fellow Kenyans.